Hey Liz, welcome back to my channel. So I had an idea, why not show y'all my spring go-to makeup look, and I want to style my hair because I just got a fresh haircut and my hair is like really short. You know how like my hair usually is, like my hair is super long. I cut off some inches, booze. So let's try styling my hair for the first time. Let's see how that goes. Let's see if it looks super good. But I'm gonna be showing y'all my spring makeup look, what I have been doing. So I already prepped my skin because I wanted to make the video not too long, but I just wanted to show the products I use first. So this is my skin right now. First off, all these items right here, my ride or die. These are my go-tos. I always love me some good serums, so I always use my good molecules, the discoloration and the niacinamide. I don't have any more of the hyaluronic acid, but I need to get that. But these are the products I freaking love. I'm always talking about them on my TikToks when I would do my makeup videos, or I recently talked about them on here too when I've done makeup looks. But if you haven't tried good molecules, super affordable, super cheap, and they work amazing on your skin. I've had a big bottle of this, and I recently got this for my birthday. It's the Glow Recipe Niacinamide Dew Drops. This is so good. I freaking love this stuff. Makes your skin so glowy. Yeah, I love that. And then for moisturizer, my boyfriend got me this, and I've been wanting to try out this brand. I don't know how to say it, so I'm not going to pronounce it. But this stuff is amazing. I have their face wash also, and it's so freaking good. Like, I've been using good stuff, boo. So, like, if you watch this whole video, I'm going to give y'all some of my recommendations that I freaking love. So, yeah, boos, definitely try out this moisturizer. And then for lips, I love to hydrate my lips with the Laneige lip sleeping mask. I like to prep my lips before I put on my lip color. This is a must in my collection because my lips are gonna look so lustrous, soft, and juicy, and that's what we want. So the primer that I've been using is a Power Grip primer. Yeah, so I love my e.l.f. I use a lot of affordable products and some high-end, just to let y'all guys know. I am sick, so if I sound a little funny, like if I'm holding my nose, that's why. My allergies have been kicking in really bad, so be aware. I'm trying to not sound weird, but I can't help. I'm trying to get better, but I'm trying to drink my protein drink. Gotta get that protein in, boost. If you haven't followed me on TikTok, I've been showing you kind of like my progress on there, right? Even on my Instagram stories, like sometimes I'll show like my pump pics and stuff like that. But yeah, so I'm gonna like spot correct my little acne. So I'm gonna use my e.l.f. concealer. This is the best one, the hydrating one. I do not like the matte. I love me some hydrating products, and I think I kind of got the wrong shade. I think I was supposed to get light beige and I got light peach, but your girl's gonna make it work. So I'm gonna like lightly tap all over my face. And look at my little hair. Oh, I hate when those little eyebrow hairs get to my face and then it starts itching. I hate that stuff. So I'm going to lightly put it where I have my little acne spots. And I like to let that sit while I do my eyebrows. So I love me a little spoolie. They got to be glue gel. This is like the big one. I love my NYX one, but I don't have any of that. And I've just been using this lately. It's just like my go-to. Super big. All I do is just grab a little bit, like that much, and I just like flick it through my eyebrows, get it nice and coated, and then I just like to shape how I like them, so I kind of like them flared up a little bit. I'm gonna go in with my Sephora brush. I love this brush. It's the 47 Pro Foundation, and I like to lightly tap in my concealer and blend it to my cheeks. And then I'm going to get my little brush from Morphe, the M124 flat brush, and I'm just going to carve them out. This kind of brush, this little dense brush, and I just like to blend it into my eyelids. On camera, my concealer looks like really white on me, but it's like the lighting is not doing me justice right now. I look like, girl, you got the wrong shade, but trust me, it's a little light, but it's not like too bad where like I need a different shade. Trust me, it looks really good. It's just the camera lighting I have. My little ring light. Okay, perfect. Okay, so you're gonna look like that, and then I'm gonna go in with my favorite, all-time favorite foundation. It's the House of Labs best foundation. I freaking love this stuff, and this color match is everything. But yeah, boos, I'm gonna be going on a trip pretty soon, and I don't know if I should record it or not. I like getting ready, like packing stuff, because I love those type of videos, but I don't know if I should do it or not. Pretty sure, right? To make memories. Because I haven't really filmed on here. I've just been super, super busy. And I used to be really consistent, but I'm trying to like figure out a schedule of when I can start like posting like as often as I would like. Bear with me, boos, because I'll be posting like how I usually post. I just gotta figure out my schedule and stuff like that. So, all right here, I dot my nose, my chin, a little bit of my forehead. Kind of let that sit for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go in with my handy dandy cream concealer. My cream bronzer. This is a putty bronzer from e.l.f. in the shade Tan Lines, and look how much I use. Super good, super affordable. Cream bronzer, and like lightly put some right there. I'm not trying to go as heavy. Super nice. I love this color. I wanted to get that new NYX bronzer, but it freaking sold out, and I was gonna get it. And there's a sale at, was it Ulta? It's a buy two get one free NYX products, and it took my shade, but it's okay. I want to get my hands on it because it's like really affordable. It's like $10, and I heard really good reviews about it. And then I go in with my Charlotte Tilbury in the shade Fair pressed powder, and I go in with the powder puff, and I lightly go over my under eyes just to lightly set. I love to do this stuff first. Okay, just like that. Wherever I set my concealer, I just like to place it right there. And then size translucent. This is some bomb stuff. Kind of bake under my eyes wherever I put my pressed powder. And it just gives me a nice smooth finish. Like, look at my under eyes. Period. It just looks so soft and like blurred. Y'all see that? Love one size. Bronze. And I'm gonna go in with a little brush. I don't like this brush, but it's the only bronzer brush I have. And I just like lightly kind of go over where I put my cream. And I just like to build up as much as I want. So, and then I'm going in with my blush, Milani Luminoso. This is a Ride or Die in my collection, and I just like to put that on my cheeks. This freaking makeup brand that I freaking love to die for. The best setting spray you'll ever need in your collection. I feel like it's like the best one, beats Urban Decay, Morphe, Milani, like all this stuff. This is my number one go-to. If you see the song, you're gonna know the best setting spray ever. I think I talked about this once in my videos like a while back. And I recently got my hands on it again. It's the Skin Denavia, the makeup finishing spray, the bridal one. Bridal. This right here is good stuff. And I also got mini ones they sent with it. It's the makeup finishing spray, just like original. And they sent one oil control. But those are good for travel, so. But the bridal one, freaking love the way this sprays out. It melts your makeup like no other. Like, I freaking love this stuff. Like, even my mom likes this stuff. This stuff is like amazing, so. Woo! Oh my god, it just feels so good to have this back in my collection because I freaking love that stuff, honestly. It's like, that stuff makes me happy when I do my makeup because it just like, just helps with my makeup so much. Ooh, it's looking so good. Period. It looks so good. Oh my god, I miss this freaking setting spray. This setting spray is everything. I love this stuff. So now I'm going to put a little bit of highlighter on the tip of my nose. A highlighter. This is the Anastasia one. I'm going to put it at the tip of my nose. And then the inner corners of my eyes. And my favorite mascara I've been loving, it's the Falsy Surreal by Maybelline New York. And the black is black. Freaking love that. You gotta have like the darkest eyelashes ever. Which is the one I just love to use. So I'm gonna curl my lashes real quick. Okay, so since my lips are super hydrated now, I'm gonna use my ColourPop in the shade BFF3 like that. And then this is pretty expensive, but I know there's a dupe out there. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Kim KW. This is the Kim lipstick, but I'm just gonna lightly pat it. My NYX Butter Glosses in Madeline and Fortune Cookie. So I'm gonna go to Madeline real quick. And this is what I do. I lightly go on the outside. My lips like that. And then I go in with Fortune Cookie and I put this in the center of my lips. And just like that. Let me grab my camera real quick. Let me turn off my lighting. I literally have a show on right now. But it just looks so good and natural. And then my lips look really nice. I love this lip combo. It's super nice. So Analisa is doing a Mother's Day sale. So who doesn't love a good sale? And especially since Mother's Day is coming up. It's like, who does not love some nice, affordable, great quality jewelry pieces? I'm going to give you some information about this brand. They are long-lasting, tarnish-resistant, and I can say that about that. They have, none of my pieces I've had have not tarnished. They're super affordable, great quality, long-lasting, as I can tell y'all from my experience from having some of their pieces. Analisa designs just start at $39. Very affordable. They got you covered from fast and free shipping. If you do not live in the US, they also have affordable shipping options also. 2-year warranty on all products. And they're the perfect gift to give to mothers or a dear woman in your life. They're my #1 jewelry brand. I always recommend anyone who asks what jewelry pieces are really good to have in your collection. I always recommend Analisa because they are so like unique. I love their designs. They're so dainty and fragile and just so cute, and it goes with like everything, and that's what I love about them. And their packaging, they take well care of their packaging too. Carbon neutral from their jewelry pieces and to their packaging. So I just love their brand. So first off, these have me was this gorgeous bracelet. Super nice. And I love me some type of gold jewelry pieces with the pearls. Like I'm gonna show y'all on my wrist. There's 3 little links, and I have it on the smallest one because my wrist is really tiny. But I just wanted to show y'all. So gorgeous. I love this piece. Is so pretty, dainty, and really nice. I really love their bracelets. And they also sent was this, oh my god, look at this necklace. It's so gorgeous. How stunning. This necklace is so pretty. I'll have all of them linked down below. And this is an 16 plus 2 inches, so it's an 18 inch. Oh my god, how stunning. Oh my god. This is so pretty. God. I just love Analisa. Analisa is like the best brand out there. Let me just zoom out in real quick. And OMG, so pretty. So this is a size 6" plus 125. I believe the pearl one is the same thing. Yes. So don't mind my little bite. A little mosquito had bit my freaking hand, but okay. So look at that bracelet. So pretty. This is really, really good time to grab your mother or any dear woman in your life gift from Analisa. All these jewelry pieces are super affordable and easy to exchange if you need to, and definitely recommend getting them right now while they're on sale. Pieces to have in your collection because I freaking love Analisa. So I want to say thank you, Analisa, for sponsoring today's video. Love, love, love all these pieces. I want to say thank you. I really appreciate and adore your brand so much. So thank you so much. Now we're going to be doing my hair. So some dry shampoo in my hair. Get in where all the oils are at. Yeah, look at my hair lightly. Yeah, right, Danielle. Okay, so we're going to let that sit for a little bit. And I'm going to try to attempt blowing out my hair. So I have two types of brushes. This one, which is this one, this one's broken. It really like messed up but I can't find my other one. I have one just like this. It's brand new, but this one might have to do. This is kind of want to try because I cut my hair just recently and I just want to style it because I have not styled it, and I just want to see like what it can give me. So, you know, we're going to try styling my hair today. Okay, because I tried to do it. It's actually pretty hard because I usually can't. I could use it on other people, but when it comes to my hair, it's a different story. So I'm gonna pin it up and let that sit, and then I'm gonna do this half. Okay, boos, I look super crazy right now, but I just blow dried. I tried my best. Let's see how these came out. Like, but for the front pieces, for my little pieces right here, I'm gonna do with the straightener. So I just heated up my straightener, and I'm trying to flip these backwards, if that makes sense. It's out now, and we're gonna see how these curls came out. Ooh, super pretty. Okay. Wow, gorgeous. Like, oh, this is so pretty. Layers. You see all my layers in my hair. Super gorgeous. I don't know if you can tell from the back if it's. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and today's makeup look. My spring go-to makeup look. And definitely don't forget to check out Luisa. I'll have everything linked below. And their Mother's Day special sale is going on. So don't forget to try out some pieces of jewelry. Like I said, love, 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 love Luisa jewelry. It just spices up your outfit and it looks super, super cute. Very affordable. And don't forget to check out Luisa. Yeah, boos, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will see you guys next time. Bye!